does the Hindu concept of dharma relate to health and well-being? In the rich tapestry of world religions, Hinduism stands out for its profound insights into the nature of reality, the human condition, and the path to a meaningful and fulfilling life. Among its many teachings, the concept of dharma holds a central place, encompassing a vast array of ethical, moral, and spiritual principles that guide individuals towards health, well-being, and a harmonious existence with oneself, others, and the cosmos. In this essay, we will explore the multifaceted relationship between the Hindu concept of dharma and health and well-being, examining how it influences various aspects of life, from personal conduct to social interactions and the pursuit of spiritual liberation. One of the fundamental aspects of dharma is its emphasis on the interconnectedness of all living beings. The Bhagavad Gita, a revered Hindu scripture, states, "All beings are pervaded by me in my unmanifest form. None is separate from me, even for a moment." 10.42. This profound understanding of unity underscores the notion that our actions, thoughts, and intentions have not only individual consequences but also ripple effects on the well-being of others and the environment. From a health and well-being perspective, this interconnectedness translates into a holistic approach that recognizes the mind-body-spirit connection. According to Hindu philosophy, health is not merely the absence of disease but a state of physical, mental, and spiritual equilibrium. Dharma teaches individuals to cultivate a healthy lifestyle that includes practices such as yoga, meditation, and a balanced diet. These practices aim to harmonize the body, quiet the mind, and foster inner peace and clarity, all of which contribute to overall well-being. Moreover, dharma emphasizes the importance of virtuous conduct and ethical living. The yams and niyamas, two sets of ethical principles outlined in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, provide a framework for personal behavior that promotes health and well-being. The yams include non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, non-stealing, asteya, continence, brahmacharya, and non-possessiveness, aparigraha. These principles cultivate compassion, integrity, honesty, and a sense of contentment, which are essential for mental and emotional well-being. The niyamas, on the other hand, consist of purity, shaucha, contentment, santosha, self-discipline, tapas, study, swadhyay, and devotion to the divine, Ishvara Pranidhana. These practices help individuals cultivate inner purity, cultivate gratitude and acceptance, develop self-control, engage in lifelong learning, and find solace and meaning in their spiritual connection. By adhering to these principles, individuals create a foundation for a healthy and fulfilling life. Furthermore, the concept of dharma extends beyond personal conduct to encompass social and environmental responsibility. Hindu scriptures such as the Vedas and the Upanishads emphasize the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting all forms of life. This ecological awareness promotes sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and a reverence for the natural world, all of which contribute to the health and well-being of both individuals and the planet. In addition to individual and social well-being, dharma also plays a crucial role in the pursuit of spiritual liberation or moksha. The ultimate goal of human existence, according to Hindu philosophy, is to break free from the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, samsara, and attain a state of eternal bliss and union with the divine. This spiritual journey requires individuals to align their actions, thoughts, and desires with the principles of dharma, thereby purifying the mind and heart and cultivating a state of inner peace and tranquility. In conclusion, the Hindu concept of dharma provides a comprehensive framework for health and well-being that encompasses physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions. By emphasizing the interconnectedness of all beings, promoting ethical conduct, fostering a healthy lifestyle, respecting nature, and pursuing spiritual liberation, dharma offers a path towards a life of health, happiness, and fulfillment. Its teachings serve as a timeless guide for individuals seeking to live in harmony with themselves, others, and the universe.